Today we get nice and fruity. So you may know the names of these fruits, une pomme, une grenade, but do you know the name of the tree that bears them? Coming up! Hello my friend, my name is Claire and my mission is to teach you French with a smile. Let's start right now. Le verger est un terrain dévolu à la culture d'arbres fruitiers. The orchard is a land devoted to the cultivation of fruit trees. Encore une fois, le verger est un terrain dévolu à la culture d'arbres fruitiers. Ensemble, le verger est un terrain dévolu à la culture d'arbres fruitiers. Don't be afraid by this first sentence. I know it was a little bit long and complicated, but I wanted to start with a definition. Now we are going to go into very simple words. It's very important that you repeat them as much as you can, and if you can, write them down as well. La poire, le poirier. Pear, pear tree. Encore une fois. La poire, le poirier. Ensemble, repeat with me now. La poire, le poirier. Very good. It's so important that you repeat along with me for the third time that I repeat the words. L'abricot, l'abricotier. Apricot, apricot tree. Encore une fois. L'abricot, l'abricotier. Ensemble, together. L'abricot, l'abricotier. Very good. Now, peach is pêche, but we're going to see that it is very similar to something which has to do with fish. Yes, let's see that. La pêche, le pêcher. Peach, peach tree. Encore une fois, la pêche, le pêcher. Ensemble, la pêche, le pêcher. Now, let's look at that. Le pêcheur and the verb pêcher. The fisherman, to go fishing or to fish. Ensemble, encore une fois. Le pêcheur pêcher. Ensemble, le pêcheur pêcher. Very good. And you noticed that there is an accent circumflex on all of these words. L'amande, l'amandier. Almond, almond tree. Encore une fois. L'amande, l'amandier. Ensemble, l'amande, l'amandier. And now this delicious fruit, which is very ripe, is called la grenade. La grenade, le grenadier. Pomegranate, pomegranate tree. Encore une fois, la grenade, le grenadier. Ensemble, la grenade, le grenadier. And the last one is hazelnut. La noisette, le noisetier. Hazelnut, hazelnut tree. Encore une fois, la noisette, le noisetier. Ensemble, la noisette, le noisetier. Yes! Congratulations! So, if you want the slides, they are on the website frenchwithasmile.net. If you want one-to-one lessons with me or another great French tutor, I teach on Preply and the link is below. And with that, I see you very soon on French with a Smile. Bye-bye!